Hey guys, in this tutorial we will see how to use the SSH protocol so we can clone repositories into our local machines. In the last tutorial we learned about the SSH mechanism, about the public and the private keys. Before we start, I suggest you to watch that previous tutorial as well. So, the first step is to generate the keys using the CLI. In order to do that, we will use the following command: ssh-keygen -t rsa -b4096 uppercase c followed by your email. Press enter. It's asking for the path of the keys. Just press enter and the default path will be used. And now it requires a secure passphrase. For this example we will insert none, so let's just press enter. Enter again. Okay, so now we have the keys created in the following path. So we have the private key and the public key. This is our private key and this is our public key, which we are going to use in the next few moments. The second step is to start the SSH agent in the background. We can do that using the following command: we're expecting for this agent output. Okay, now it's time to add the private key to the SSH agent. Because we are using Linux, the command will be like this: ssh-add and the path to the private key, which in our case will be this one. Press enter and we've just added the identity according to our email. In the final step, we will only need to attach the public key to the repository provider. Just for your information, it doesn't matter if we use GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab and so on, because the procedure will be the same. Now we just need to open a browser and access the repository provider. In our case it will be GitHub. Access the profile settings, search for SSH, add new SSH key, insert a title, and we need to get the value of our public key file. We can do that by opening the terminal, go to the .ssh folder and copy the public key. Paste and save. Looks like the key has just been associated with our account. Let's go and see if we can clone the project. Go to the repo, click clone or download, clone with SSH, copy the link, go to a terminal, go to a relevant project place, git clone and paste the link. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? You have to type yes. Okay, looks like the project has just been cloned on our local machine. Just please keep in mind that agreeing with this step, a new file has been implicitly created into the .ssh folder. It contains the list of all the known hosts, currently having only GitHub. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.